Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily hide your number on the iPhone 17 Air. So, all you guys need to do is go over to the settings, and right here in the settings, we need to go down to apps. So we need to scroll all the way down. They are literally at the bottom. Now click on apps, and here we need to search for the phone app. So scroll down until you see the letter P and click on the phone. Now all we have to do is scroll down here until we see the calls section, and right at the bottom of this section we have the show my caller ID. So if it's disabled, then that means you are already hiding your caller ID, and all that's left to do is either enable it to show your caller ID or disable it, and you will be shown as the unknown caller ID or the no caller ID. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.